Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by matching the driver to the head. You need a precise fit to avoid rounding. Once done, clear grime and corrosion so the driver seats deeply, and apply penetrating oil to loosen thread bond. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. Then tap the driver handle with a hammer to set it into the slot. This both breaks early corrosion and helps the bit bite. Make sure to use a steady grip and short, firm torque to begin turning the screw out. You now escalate. Start with an impact driver or breaker bar to deliver controlled shocks and steady torque. This often breaks the bond. If the head is rounded, press a wide rubber band between the bit and head, or switch to a reverse thread extractor bit. You can also weld or glue a nut to create a new gripping surface. When threads are seized, apply localized heat with a soldering iron or torch to expand metal, but protect plastic or coatings and ventilate the area. You finish by backing the screw out slowly. Maintain steady torque and reverse impact taps if it binds again. Once the head gives, remove it fully and inspect threads. Clean them and apply anti-seize or thread locker depending on future needs. If an extractor breaks or won't bite, drill a centered pilot hole and step up to a larger extractor or carefully chisel a new flat to turn. Remember that drilling risks surrounding parts. A key troubleshooting tip: if everything stalls, stop and reassess to avoid collateral damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.